This is another quick video to show you guys how we get more crops in the ground early, with a couple new tools to help us with the process. We have been absolutely ecstatic about this new tool, Paperpot Transplanter. We use a simple landscape pin to hold the first pot down. This lets you start the row. This will be something new.
Yeah.
We have this section of the video sped up to 2 times the speed, but believe me, this is super fast.
It's working pretty good.
It is working very good.
You know what? I think the soil needs to be a little clean.
I agree.
Like that in the tunnels, it was very dry
For the one beets.
and it wasn't packing.
Yeah.
See how the wheels are like really nicely packing that?
Yeah. Maybe we need to run the sprinklers before we do it then.
Yeah, maybe. I mean,
Just a little bit.
I mean, while we're in season, everything's gonna be nice and wet.
Yeah.
That first tunnel.
I think you hit a rock there.
Huh?
No, you hit a plant.
I
Okay.
hit a weed.
You do have to make sure the beds are nice and tidy, or else the planter will jump around and you won't get real good planting.
Why are we paperpot transplanting peas?
Germination's not real great.
Yeah.
Early in the season like this, it's wet. The pea seeds can actually rot in the ground, so.
We always get spotty germination for peas.
Yeah. I don't know, they say peas are like one of the best crops to paperpot.
We'll find out.
Yeah, we'll find out.
We already got better germination.
Yeah, I mean, it's a 1 pea every 2 inch.
Yeah. Usually we have like a gap between like, say like these 2 sprinklers. We would have like real bad germination and then the rest would be like a pea wall.
The paper chain pots come in 3 different spacings. There's 2 inch, 4 inch, and 6 inch. And each of those spacings have a different total length to them. So the 2 inch spacing, you get about 50 feet of row. The 4 inch spacing is 93 feet and the 6 inch spacing is 139 feet.
Close together. Because when we put in the T-posts and the net, we always say we've planted them too far apart. Right?
Yeah. Yeah, we'll show a picture of what they look like whenever they're fully done.
This is Meg between the wall of peas.
Pin's the way to do it.
For sure.
We're gonna leave this one at regular speed just to show you how long it takes to plant out a row. You'll see that this is just under 1 minute total to do 1 row. So we can plant, you know, a full bed of peas, which is 2 rows in 2 minutes. If we were just planting seeds with an earthway or a jang seeder or even by hand, we can probably get that done in 2 minutes. But there's an enormous advantage to having these peas already be sprouted in the ground. If we were planting seeds, it would probably take close to a month for them to germinate. We do have to take some precautions with planting these out so early though.
So pea flowers can't take frost.
Okay.
But young pea shoots, they say, are good down to like low 20s.
Okay.
And even colder if we cover them up.
Which we are.
Yeah, we'll cover them up. You want to do onions right here?
Yeah, you said we only have like 1 row, right?
Yeah, 1 row of onions.
This.
Still recording?
Yeah. Like that.
zipper tool.
This is the zipper. I didn't know the name. I just said this tool. Easy enough to do it one-handed. So anything that doesn't get covered, you just kind of zip right over it, and it furrows it in. And I'm literally doing this one-handed. It's really easy.
We got this zipper tool and the Paperpot Transplanter from Neversink Tools. So far, we really like it. It's built well. I don't think we're gonna break it. We haven't seen it in any of the other brands in person, but from what I can tell, this one's maybe a little bit lighter than some of the all-metal framed ones. We got the spreader and germination trays and also the bottom solid trays from Neversink also, and those are all very nice.
Pins. I'll tell you something right now, these are the straightest rows of plants we've ever planted in our entire life.
Onions is what this tool is made for, so
Yeah.
they're nice because all you gotta have is just one little bit of green sticking out. Can really bury them tight. What's happening there?
Okay. I'll go over with this. That thing's like just as amazing.
Yeah, I didn't think it was gonna be worth it.
I didn't think it was gonna be worth it. I was a little annoyed you bought it.
I know. It's a lot better than bending over and doing with grants.
I know. Or just messing around with like a different hoe that doesn't do the same. or
Well, this
shape
is
the
nice
same.
too. I mean, you could paper pot without the transplanter. You just do this,
Yeah.
make the ditch, and just drop your paper chains, and then cover it back up.
Pretty awesome.
Works to weed.
All right, we covering this up.
March 12th. You know, normally there's still snow on the ground. Normally it's below freezing, we can't get water. If we were to plant anything out in these tunnels, we would have to, you know, fill up totes with water, truck it down here, water by hand. So this year, besides just the Paperpot Transplanter, you know, we're kind of blessed with the weather. We have 4 tunnels, that's 16 beds, 50 foot long, completely planted out. We got 7 field beds planted. Of course, we got our garlic and our onions up top in the top plot. Yeah, I mean, we almost have half the garden planted out. That's pretty ridiculous for March 12th. You know, hopefully we continue to be blessed with the weather. We don't get that super cold snap. We do have some temperatures down in the 20s coming up this week that we'll have to row cover and of course drain all of our irrigation lines and everything.
But yeah, it's, knock on wood, it's gonna be a good season. We're excited to bring tons of food to you guys, and with this channel, continue to show other people that might be wanting to do this that you can. It's a lot of hard work, but we know you can do it. You know you can do it. Yeah, it's pretty awesome.